Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you Element of Account Standard 12 Part 2 Chapter 2 Accounting for Debenture. In previous lecture we already completed up to illustration number 21. Today let us start illustration number 21. First situation, when investment in own debenture may be sold by company in open market. When investment is done in the own debentures by the company itself and these debentures may be sold by the company in the open market, then profit or loss realized from it. It is treated as a revenue profit or revenue loss, which is transferred to statement of profit and loss. Effect in statement of profit and loss. Profit on sale of investment in own debentures in the market is shown under other income in the statement of profit and loss. Illustration number 22. Pujan Motors Limited issued 4,008% debentures of rupees 250 each. The board of directors purchased 1,500 own debentures from the market at a price of rupees 225 each for investment purpose. After few months, company sold this purchased debenture at rupees 270 per debenture in the market. Record necessary entries from the above transactions. Answer part. Journal of Pujan Motors Limited. First, bank account debit 10 lakh to debenture application and allotment account debit. To debenture application and allotment account 10 lakh. Being application money received on 4,000 debentures at rupees 250 per debenture. Second entry. Debenture application and allotment account debit 10 lakh to 8% debenture account 10 lakh, being application money transferred to debenture account. Third entry, investment in own debenture account debit 3,37,500 to bank account 3,37,500, being purchase of 1,500 debentures at 225 rupees each from the market for investment. Bank account debit 4,05,000 to investment in own debenture account 3,37,500 to profit on sale of investment account 67,500, being investment in own debenture sold at rupees 270 each. Profit on sale of investment account debit 67,500 to statement of profit and loss account 67,500, being profit on sale of investment due to revenue profit transferred to statement of profit and loss. Not. The company is not required to create a debenture redemptions reserve and also there is no need to invest the 15% amount because the debentures are purchased for investment and not for cancellation. Fourth, conversion of a debenture into shares. This is a method of a redemption of a debentures where debenture can be redeemed by the issue of a shares in lieu of debentures. As per the terms of the issue of debentures, a company can issue its equity or a preference share in lieu of debentures to the debenture holders. When debentures are converted into shares, the following journal entries are passed. Debenture account debit to debenture holder account. Debenture holder account debit to equity share capital to preference share capital. When debenture are converted into shares by the company, the shares may be issued to debenture holders at par or at premium. It means when debenture are converted into shares, then these shares may not be issued at a discount. Otherwise, it violates the provision of Companies Act. Illustration number 23. Prakhar Limited issued 8,007.5% convertible debentures of rupees 200 each at par as on April 1st, 2014. As per the terms of issue of debentures, all the debentures will be converted into shares after 4 years, and for this, one equity share of rupees 10 each will be issued at a premium of 25% against each debenture. As per the agreed terms, all the debentures are converted into shares as on April 1st, 2018. Write necessary journal entries in the books of a company. Calculation. Total amount received on issue of debentures, 8,000 debenture into 200 is equal to 16 lakh. Price of each equity share to be issued against debenture: 10 original price plus 2.50 premium, 12.50. Number of equity share to be issued against debenture: 16 lakh upon all 12.50 is equal to 1,28,000 shares. Journal entries in the books of company. 1/4/2014, bank account debit 16 lakh to debenture application and allotment account 16 lakh. Being receipt of application money on 8,000 debentures of rupees 200 each. 1/4/2014, debenture application and allotment account debit to 16 lakh to 7.5% debenture account 16 lakh, being application money transferred to debenture account. 1/4/2018, 7.5% debenture account debit 16 lakh to debenture holder account 16 lakh, being 8,000 debenture to be converted at face value into equity shares. 1/4/2018, debenture holders account debit 16 lakh to equity share capital account 12,80,000, 1,28,000 shares into 10 rupees, to security premium reserve account 3,20,000, 1,28,000 shares into 2.50, being 1,28,000 shares at a rupees 10 each at a premium of rupees 25% on its issued against 8,000 debentures. Redemption of debenture by different consideration. A company normally redeemed its debenture by cash payment to the debenture holders at the time of redemption of debentures. However, sometimes instead of paying cash for the redemption of debentures, the company might give considerations other than cash to debenture holders. For example, issue of new shares or new debentures at considerations to debenture holders. Thus, amount due on redemption of the debentures can be discharged by different consideration. For this, necessary terms should be mentioned at the time of issue of debentures. Illustration number 24. On 1st January 2014, RK Private Limited issued 30,009% debentures of rupees 100 each. According to the terms of the issue of debentures, the debentures were to be redeemed at 5% premium by giving 6-month notice at any time after 5 years. The redemption was to be made by cash or by issue of a new share or by issue of new debenture as per the option to be exercised by the debenture holders. On 1st March 2019, the company issued the required notice to the debenture holder for the redemption of the debentures. The company gave 3 options for the redemption of the debenture on 1st September 2019. First, redemption money will be paid in cash. Second, equity shares of rupees 10 each will be issued at rupees 12 per share. Third, new 8% debenture of rupees 100 each will be issued at a price of rupees 96 per debenture. Holders of 9,000 debentures accepted equity shareholder of 12,000 debentures accepted the new 8% debenture and the rest of debenture holder opted for cash as a consideration. With the assumption that company has fulfilled the provision of Companies Act and SEBI guidelines, write the necessary journal entries to record the above transaction in the books of the company. Answer part. Journal entries in the books of RK Private Limited. 1/1/2014, bank account debit 30 lakh to debenture application and allotment account 30 lakh, being application money received on 30,000 debentures. 1/1/2014, debenture application and allotment account debit 30 lakh, loss on issue of debenture account debit 1,50,000 to 9% debenture account 30 lakh to premium on redemption of debenture account 1,50,000. Being application money transferred to debentures account and premium to be paid on redemption of a debenture. 1/9/2019, 9% debenture account debit 30 lakh, premium on redemption of a debenture account debit 1,50,000 to debenture holder 31,50,000, being amount due on 30,000 debentures with 5% premium. 1/9/2019, debenture holders account debit 9,45,000 to equity share capital account 7,87,500 to security premium account 1,57,500, being issue of 78,750 equity shares of rupees 12 each to holders of 9,000 debentures as per Note 1. 1/9/2019 debenture holders account debit 12,60,000, discount on debenture account debit 52,500 to 8% debenture account 13,12,500, being issue of 13,125 new debentures of rupees 96 each to holder of 12,000 debentures, not number 2. 1/9/2019 debenture holders account debit 9,45,000 to bank account 9,45,000, being cash paid to holder of remaining 9,000 debentures, not number 3. 1. The amount payable to holders of 9,000 debentures at the time of redemption 9,000 into 105, 9,45,000 against this equity share are issued at rupees 12, 10 plus 2 premium per share. Number of equity shares is equal to 9,45,000 divided by 12 is equal to 78,750. Second, the amount payable at the time of redemption to holder of a 12,000 debenture. 12,000 into 105 is equal to 12,60,000. Against this new 8% debenture are issued at rupees 96. 100 minus 4 discount per debenture. Number of new debenture is equal to 12,60,000 divided by 96 is equal to 13,125. The amount payable at the time of redemption to holders of 9,000 debentures in cash. 9,000 into 105, 9,45,000. Difference between share and debenture. Shares, type of capital. Share is a capital showing ownership and is called ownership security. A shareholder is considered as an owner of a company. Debenture. Debenture is a borrowed capital. It is called creditorship security. The debenture holder is a creditor of the company. Certainty of a return. No return will be available to the shareholder if the company does not make any profit. Moreover, even if the company makes a profit, dividend will be paid to the shareholders only if the board of directors recommended the dividend. Thus, there is no surety of the return. Debenture holders are to be paid interest as per terms of issue of the debenture, irrespective of the fact whether the company makes a profit or loss. Charge or security. Share being an ownership security, the company has not to offer any security against this. Debenture being creditorship security, the company is generally required to create a fixed or a floating charge on asset. Fourth one, rights. The shareholder have a right to take part in the administration of the company and have voting right. Debenture holder do not have a voting right or the right to take part in the administration of the company. Restriction on issue at a discount. Except sweat equity shares, share cannot be issued at a discount as per Companies Act 2013. Debenture can be issued at a discount. Convertibility. Share cannot be converted into debentures, so this type of shares cannot be issued. Debenture can be converted into shares, so this type of debentures can be issued. For the redemption, a company is not required to return the share capital during its lifetime. Generally, proceeds to debentures are to be repaid after a fixed period. At the time of liquidation, in case of liquidation or winding up of a company, the shareholders are paid any sum only in any amount is left after paying off all outside liabilities. In case of a liquidation of a company, the debenture holders are paid priority to the shareholder. If there is a liquidation of the company is there and winding off of the company is there, at that time first chance is for the debenture holder. First priority given to the debenture holders paid in the priority to the shareholder, and last chance is for the equity shareholders. If any left after the paying of all outside liability, if remaining amount is there, then only equity shareholders get this amount. So this way our chapter number 2, accounting for debenture, is over. Thank you very much.